Hey everybody, so we're back. We are headed to the Ouachita National Forest tonight. May go do some hiking tomorrow and some trail riding with our friends Mr. Chad and his son and his nephews. But I got Eli and Ethan back here. Ethan and Eli, hi.
Hi.
So we are headed out to the woods. I just got a new couple add-ons for my GoPro here, so I hope the sound is better than it has been before. We'll see how this goes, but just hope y'all enjoy the ride. Got to run by Walmart actually before we head out there. All right everybody, so we're all finished up here at Walmart. We've got all our goodies for camp tonight. Got snacks for the road. Got some gummy bears back there, some blue Takis.
I traded 4 gummies for 2 Takis from
Here, there you go.
4 of these gummies for 2 Takis from my brother.
All right, so let's hit the road, guys. All right, everybody, so we made it to camp. We actually got at the Forked Mountain Bluff side, which is the cave, which you probably can't see here.
Here, I got it.
Here, I got a light.
There you go.
Got a flashlight. That cave back there. See that?
I found a bug.
Yeah. So we're here at camp. We're gonna get the tent set up and then we're gonna get to cooking. So we finally got a fire going. We got the boys over here. They're setting up a tent. If you can see, probably not. Can't even see my finger.
Not done.
They're not done. About done. We got Chad's truck set up back there, and he's set up with his tent over here, or not tent, his hammock. And we also got our tent set up. I've got chili cooking. We're gonna have some chili dogs tonight, and then I'm gonna make a cobbler. So this will be my first time doing a Dutch oven cobbler. So we'll see how it turns out. But just say Mr. Chad here.
I hope you fall out of the
Blinding us with his light. Blinded by the light. Bam.
Dang.
Dad, can you give me
Well, you got to do a lot for a YouTube video. Yes, you did.
All right, everybody. So we got some hot dogs cooked. We got chili cooked. And we're just sitting around the fire and enjoying some food.
And we got
we'll come back here in a little bit and we'll see about some cobbler. How about that? All right, everybody. So I've got the cobbler all put together and I've got it sitting here in the Dutch oven in the fire. So let's see if we can come over and check that out. Got that Dutch oven, got that good fire going. Got children. More children's. Here.
They're not that children.
There, we got some bright lights so you know we can see everybody.
Fine.
Yay! Finishing up some chili dogs there.
Yes. Am I included in the children? No.
Always, Chad. Always. Got the soft light so I can. Yeah.
This is camping right here.
Yes, sir.
Hey, can I sleep in that?
Couldn't have more perfect weather.
This is camping.
Amen to that, brother.
You can see how I'm camping. Open up the cobbler.
It's not. It has to cook for a while.
I know.
Check out that.
Be patient, like a while.
All right, so I have yet to introduce everybody here. So we have Mr. Chad in his chair back there. Can't see you because there we go. There's Mr. Chad in his chair. With Chad's son Cooper.
Hello.
We have Elijah and Ethan here, as usual. The blanket king.
He's literally.
And what's your name? Right here, I'm on. There.
I'm Zayden.
Zayden. And
Aaron.
Aaron.
Hug.
All right, these are Chad's nephews, and yeah, we're gonna check out some cobbler.
We're gonna break them in good in the morning.
We'll break them in good. We're hoping for some Sasquatch activity in that tent area right there.
Yeah. Yeah. They've never been trail riding before, so we got some.
Oh yeah, we're gonna do some trails tomorrow. I don't know where you are. There you are. It's hard to see. I've got the camera here, but I cannot see Chad unless he puts light on himself. So we're gonna do some trail rides in the morning, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. So we got this cobbler finished up. How about it, guys? So I think that is going to be it for tonight, because we're going to eat this and then we're just going to hang out. So I hope you've enjoyed so far. Yeah. Here you go.
Say good night.
Good night.
I'll see y'all in the morning. All right, so I said I wasn't going to film anymore, but we got this on these plates and I forgot. We need to have some reactions here. So this is the first time for Elijah to try this. What's your thoughts of it, son?
I like it. A little bit.
You like it a little bit? Well, I like it a lot of bit because I've piled it on my plate. What's Chad think?
I'm speechless.
Yep.
In
That took a lot. That took a lot to make Chad speechless. I think the best thing would be a little bit of scoop of ice cream on here. So we got to get that refrigerator in the truck so we can have some ice cream at camp.
Yeah, if anyone would like to donate a refrigerator to Paul for his adventures, feel free.
I like that. All right. All right, everybody, so we're up in the morning. We're packing up and trying to get things around so we can roll out to some trails. The wind apparently at like 7 o'clock this morning decided it wanted to wake us all up. We planned to get up a little earlier, but yeah, it was nice weather, good camping weather. So got a little fire going, and yeah. Got some water boiling. We're gonna have some oatmeal and some bacon this morning. How about that for some food? Okay, so I'm taking the advantage of some teenagers here at the camp, and I've got him cooking some bacon this morning.
Look at this. It's camouflage kids.
All right, so these guys, they decided to go on a hike while we were cooking. So let's see what they did. So what'd y'all go do?
Went down the river and Cooper fell in because of those slippery rocks.
Oh man.
My butt got wet. Water got in my shoes.
Oh well.
Thank goodness he had other socks.
Man, it's just a beautiful spot here at this cave.
I'm gonna go to the water.
You can go to the water? Yeah. Go down there.
Okay.
You want here, Rod? We're gonna walk down there together.
Okay.
How about that?
Hey, Ethan.
So, I had this brilliant idea. We've got bacon. We've got oatmeal. What if you put the bacon in the oatmeal? Let me just say, let's see what Chad says. Bacon in the oatmeal. Best decision ever. Yep.
Bacon makes everything better.
Let me see. Definitely makes everything better. Awesome little camping spot over here. Beautiful area. So, as we do, always leave no trace. Make things better than when you got there. So I just wanted to say, the next person that comes over here, we got a nice stack of wood to get them started. So now hopefully they can find some wood, because we had to hike a little bit to find that last night. Picking up trash, making sure all the trash is picked up. All right, everybody, so we are headed over to Crystal Mountain. We're going to check out some views there, and then there is a seasonal trail that we're going to hit after that, that's right down the hill from Crystal Mountain. So just check it out. So I think I have delivered on the views today. So what do you think, Chad?
Beautiful views. Absolutely gorgeous.
Yep. What do y'all think, guys?
They're pretty cool.
Alright, everybody, so we didn't get to go on the more difficult trails that we wanted to. Kind of ran out of time today, but we're coming back out. We're going to do some of them. But from everybody here, we'll see you on the next one.
Hello.
Happy trails.
Happy trails. Ah!
Hi. That was cool. Okay.
I wonder if I can back up it.
I want to see. Oh, can't go back up it. All right, so let's try that one more. Hello, 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 hello. I say goodbye. I say. So